I'm going to show you how to program your NFC keychain or pocket hug. What we're going to do is first go to, I use an iPhone, so the first thing I always do is go to my app, which is the NFC Tools app. You can go to the App Store and download that. It's a free app. And then what we're going to do is open it up, and it looks like this. We're going to grab our keychain. There's keychain. Let's read it first and see if there's any information already on it. It's usually what I do to check it. Cover your phone over it, and it says approach it, and it says there's nothing on there right now. Okay, so let's go back to the menu, and then let's go ahead and write something to this keychain. Let's say I want to put my website on it. We'll go ahead and go to write. Click that. We're going to add a record, and then we're going to put in a URL. So I'm going to put in my website, type it in, okay, now that I've typed it in and checked it, I'm going to hit OK. And now it says write, and it has my website at the bottom. So what we're going to do is grab our tag, and we're going to click write. It's going to tell you ready to scan and approach the NFC tag. We're going to just scan, hover over it, and then you'll get a check mark that says it's written. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it. We're going to exit out of this, go to our home page, and then we're just going to hover over it and see what it does. See, now it takes us to my website. You click on the link, and there you go. Easy as that. So now let's go ahead and say we don't want that information on there anymore. We want something else. Let's go back to our app. We're going to go to other, and we're going to either erase the tag, we could lock the tag, we could read, edit memory, format the memory, set password, remove password, advanced NFC commands. We don't touch that. But what I do, instead of just erasing the tag, I just go ahead and format the memory. So hit format memory, continue. We're going to scan over it, our tag, and it accepted it. So let's go ahead and make sure that there's nothing on it. So let's read it again, scan over it, and see what the information says. My website's gone. So usually it says one record. Okay, so now let's go ahead and say we want to put a voice message. Let's go ahead and go, the site I use, let's go to Safari, and I use Reverb. It's a free site. It lets you do up to 10 recorded messages up to 2 minutes. You could pay for more, but it's easier just to delete it and then keep recording, re-recording. So you go to reverb.chat, and you could either sign in, or I'm not sure if you could just go sign in as a guest, but go ahead and decide if you're going to sign in. But what I go to is record now, and now it tells you you have Reverb's 0 of 10 recordings. Then you could do unlimited usage to premium. I think it's like $5, but I'm not for sure. So now all we have to do is hit this record button, and then we could record a message that's up to 2 minutes. You can record anything. You can record sounds, you can record a voice, you can record other people, you can record a song, you could anything. You can record anything. But again, you're limited to 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and do just a simple, we're gonna allow it to use my microphone, and now it's recording. We are testing this to see if it works. Stop recording. Now it says I can save it, so let's just type in testing and hit save. So now I have a recording. Let's listen to it. And now it's recording. We are testing this to see see if it works. And that's it. So now what we're going to do, in order to put it on our NFC card, we're going to copy this link. So we'll hit the copy link button. Now let's go back to our app. NFC Tools. Let's write. We're going to, well, let's actually delete this one first. So we just swipe it and hit delete. Okay, now let's go ahead and add a record. We are going to go to URL, URI, and put in, we're going to paste our recording, hit OK, and now it's ready to go onto our tag. So let's go ahead and take our tag, and we are going to hit write. So let's go ahead and hover over it and scan. It accepted it. Okay, so let's go ahead and check to see what it does. Here's our keychain. Hover over it, and it takes us to open Reverb Chat. Taking a minute to load here. Okay, and now we can play it. And now it's recording. We are testing this to see if it works. And that's that. Business card information is a little bit different. You have to go to another site. So let's go to Safari on my phone. I already have it saved right here. It's called vcard.link. It's a simple site. You don't even have to sign up. I don't believe you do. And it doesn't save your information. So we're going to go to vcard.link, and then it's going to give you information on what to do. It's an easy two-step process. Complete the form below with your contact information, copy your card link or QR code, and share it. That's it. So let's go ahead and fill out the information. I pre-filled it out, so you wouldn't have to see me doing all that. My business name, my name, I'm the boss, my work email. So this is my work email, and then my website. So I'm not sure. Let's put the HTTPS with the dot dot. Where's that dot dot slash slash, and then my business name. So now that I think all my information is correct, we're just going to scroll down. We're going to go to create a card, create card, and the link is ready. So let's go ahead and share it. So in the share spot, you'll see the web URL, which is what we want. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, yeah, let's try that one. Copy it. So now we have it copied to our clipboard. Let's go back to our app, and let's write. We're going to create a new record. So we'll add a record. Hold on, let me delete this one so we don't confuse them. We'll add a record, and let's go to URL URI, paste it, and hit OK. Now let's go ahead and write to our keychain, scan it, check mark, and let's see what happens. So let's go ahead and scan our keychain with the new information on it, and it takes us to vcard.link, and that's all the information I have. My email and my website. The more information you have, I mean, the better it's going to look. But if anybody scanned your tag with, their iPhone or their Android compatible phone, this is the information that they're going to see. So, say you want to send somebody a love song playlist. Let's go ahead and go to, I use Spotify. So let's go to Spotify. Let's find, Valentine's Day is around the corner. So let's look for Valentine's Day love. There's already a pre-made playlist. So if we wanted to send this playlist, or actually put it on and program it to our let's say our pocket hug, because it's a heart and you love somebody or you want to share the love. So we're going to go ahead and put this Spotify playlist onto this heart. Let's go ahead and find the share. So this is the whole playlist. Let's go to the three dots and it says share. So we're going to share and we're going to copy the link. Copy link like we did before, copying. Okay, we'll exit out of that. Go to our app, NFC tools. We're going to go and write, add a record, URL, URI, and paste. Hit OK. And let's write to our heart. Scan over it, and it gave you a check mark. So now let's go out of this. I actually, to show you, I'm going to exit out of my Spotify. Let's exit out of everything. Scan it, Spotify, hit it, and it takes you to the playlist. So now whoever scans your heart can play these songs. You can create your own playlist. I mean, personalize it to whoever you're giving the pocket heart to. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can email me at handsoncreationsfl@gmail.com or check out my website at handsoncreations.space, and there is a how-to section.